Are we doing the one where we're already in the trash and we just go in the trash?
No, in the trash. After 4 minutes, we use it. Бля, я бы лесу переименовал в Анжелу. Она такая Анжела у меня, блядь. Хуешая Анжела такая. Снежана какая-нибудь. Такая легкая. 4 minutes, 20 seconds.
Who's there?
It's I tell about my Alisa. Who is there?
Who's there?
Who is there? Who is there? It's Kevin Trash Boy.
Back in line.
Go, 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 go. Kevin, bye bye. Oh, you look so cute in the trash.
Oh, go in the trash. Let's go in the trash, little stinky Leo. Oh, this is where he belongs. This is where he belongs, guys. 30 points. Let's go. This is where he belongs.
30 points.
Hey.
Yeah, okay. Double! Use the double. Oh, no.
Let's go. Let's put him in the trash, guys. Let's put him where he belongs. Damn it.
Bye bye, check it in. 20-second double, team. Last game, 1-1. 1-1 with Kevin. 10 seconds. They coming. Melissa, Brittany. Queen kills baby nose. You done, bro. Bro, you look so nice in the trash, you know? You every time eat pasta, it's like good for you. Yeah. You like it sit in the trash? Quiet. One zit lose, two lose. I can see. Bro, you can show me this one fingers and other fingers, but you sit in the trash, you know? If you sit in the trash, you can do it what you want, but it's not working. And what you want? This one? No, Kevin, it's not for me. Sorry, I don't like it. All boys. You smell no good. Ooh. You done? What happened? You go to sleep in the trash? Team, what he want? Understand him. Good job, bro. Thank you so much. It's not my job. It's team job. My job to 200k. Okay, Kevin, if you lose, you give me 200k. Why no? Let's go. 30 seconds. Так, okay. Kevin team, I know, you sleeping right now? And it's not for time. It's not about time. It's about root Kevin. What you do? Hands up? You want a hands up game? Hands up game, what happened? Trash boy. One lose, two lose.
Big shout out MVP on our side, guys. Terry.
MVP, Britney, Queen Kels, Melissa, Cindy, Gigi, Stacy, thank you so much.
Thanks also to Cherry Colin, Tracy Cunningham, obviously, and everyone else. Thanks for tapping, Cherry. MVP and flood the chat, guys. Terry, big shout out here. Thanks also, Jesse. Till next time.
1 lose, 2 lose. You do this every time too.
What?
Or are you showing yourself? You do this too. 1 lose, 2 lose. Every time.
Just repeating your vocabulary. Things that add your vocabulary.
Bro, you 1 year tell me about my contact, my eyebrows, and my hair and smooth.
What?
1 year.
Smooth?
Only this one topic you have.
I have a lot of topics.
Okay, go. Random joking. Go. Kidding. About me.
What do you mean?
No, joke it about me, but not use it my face.
Then your language?
No, your language, English.
I mean, I can use your language also.
Okay, go.
No, it's not that I don't have to joke about it. I mean, it is out there.
No,
It's out there that we need sometimes a translator to figure out what you want to say.
You say no. I say you can joke it about me right now. Don't use it my eyebrows, contact, and hair. You say I use it every time. 1 lose, 2 lose.
I just made joke about your language.
No, I think joke about language. It's not good if it's like bullying. No. I think it's not good.
I'm also an immigrant. I'm also an immigrant. I had to learn English too. It's not that I'm not privileged.
I think it's dirty. Joking.
I'm not privileged. Like I had to learn English like you. I had to learn English like you. I just put more effort into learning English.
Oh, okay.
From an immigrant to another non-native English speaker. I'm just saying.
I'm immigrant. I speak English. I learn English too. I'm immigrant, bro. Of course you immigrate.
Go. What?
Immigrant, bro. Okay.
everybody else. He comes to my chat, says next.